What is your marketing persona? What are the character traits that drive you to succeed, and how do others see you? My name is Alex Mondosian, and I am the CEO and founder of MarketingOnline.com. And although I have no idea how you got to this website, I do know that someone cared enough about you to get you here. Now, if you stumbled upon this webpage, then it's your lucky day, because right now you're just 300 seconds away from discovering your marketing persona. Now, you probably have an idea about your strengths and your weaknesses as an entrepreneur or in any role in your life. You could be outgoing, introverted, competitive, emotional, spontaneous, intuitive, outspoken, and any of the other important collection of personality traits. We all have them. We could be competitive, spontaneous, methodical, and humanistic. Most likely, we're a combination of all of those. Now, our heroes in our personal and professional lives and throughout history have acted according to their individual personality traits. The interesting thing is that you will find your traits in the heroes you admire. Perhaps you admire heroes without fully knowing what their personality traits are. But you can learn how you can align with them and what that means for you. When talking about heroes you admire, remember that some of the personality types are more prevalent than others. Now, using statistics we've drawn from various sources, we've been able to determine what are the dominant personality types among heroes of the past. And now you can take the Marketing Online Personality Profile Assessment and find out for yourself what heroes you are like most. You may also find that some of your traits in the heroes you admire are there and have always been there. Perhaps you admire heroes without fully knowing what their personality traits are. But you can learn how you can align with them and what that means for you, especially if you want to attract more attention, elicit interest, create desire, and influence more action from the qualified prospects and converting them into customers. That's the over 100-year-old AIDA formula, AIDA. The assessment you're about to take will take less than 5 minutes out of your week, but what you discover in the report of findings may last you a lifetime. More importantly, I want you to answer each question as if you were free to be yourself. Make each choice on how you see yourself, not on how others see you. Fair enough? All right, let's get started. Click that button, and I'll see you after you're done. Have fun.